Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching the video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, audience, and nearby attractions and amenities. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Which is the present. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. See on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and images, etc. Room category. The location of the property is attractive. Guests love to enjoy the surroundings. Two categories of rooms are available online. You can book them and enjoy your stay. Deals and offers are available online for this property along with details and booking policy. If you want to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming